In the Centre for Neuropsychiatric Genetics and Genomics, we carry out truly world-leading research about developing greater understanding of mental health conditions and dementias, and using that information to then inform prevention, but also better diagnoses and treatments.
So this has always been a team science centre, and really our strengths were that we were able to bring together expertise from the clinical side, people who understood the disorders we're working on, to bring together people who could do molecular genetics, do the laboratory work, and also people who could do data analysis, genetic epidemiologists and statistical geneticists. And we had these three groups of people who we could bring together to address all sorts of different problems.
I'm very proud to work here. We all know how important mental health is, and we work with the full lifespan of conditions, from developmental disorders right through to dementia, and that really does set us apart.
The department has grown amazingly since I've started, and now basically we are looking at the whole human genome, including 40 million variables, and therefore we are analyzing huge genetics and genomics data sets for millions of people. Now we just need to keep the momentum and move forward using all that foundation and have even more fantastic discoveries.
So one of the areas I'm really excited about is people are recognising how important mental health, including genetics, in children and young people is. Here in Wales, we attracted the funding for £10 million for a new centre for young people's mental health. That hopefully is going to pave the way for further research, including genetics, linking up with policymakers and clinicians, as well as training a whole new generation around child and adolescent mental health and genetics.
CNGG has been supporting my work since 2009, and I was looking at the genetics of a specific movement disorder that also had psychiatric symptoms associated with it. And then from that, I'm now the Director of Clinical Academic Training in Wales. The development of clinical academics is really important to me, that we support them, that we provide people with opportunities to generate independent funding, but also have a platform for their own personal career development as well.
So it's been a really great experience, and I feel really lucky to have been able to do my PhD in this centre. The genetics of these psychiatric disorders are so complex, and there's so much left for us to learn, and I'm excited to be able to be just a small part of helping us understand how genes play a role in these disorders and how we can then improve treatments.
Being based at the Centre for Neuropsychiatric Genetics and Genomics is fantastic. The people that I get to work with here, they're working at the forefront of the research, which means I get to work at the forefront of the research, and being able to network with loads of different other researchers in the same field across the world, which is amazing.
So I think we can say without doubt that this is one of Wales's most active and successful areas of research, and we bring together over 200 researchers, the largest psychiatric genomics group in Europe, and that helps us deliver on our mission and make the discoveries that we've made. The ultimate impact needs to be us using our genomics research in order to improve the lives of those with mental illnesses and dementia.